How can you show the WhatsApp notification on the lock screen of your Samsung phones? So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, it is very easy. You just simply have to find out your WhatsApp application and tap into that application for a while. And then you can see this I button, just simply tap into that and then it will lead you to the app setting of WhatsApp. Now into the very top you will get to see notifications in here. Just simply tap into notifications and then first of all you have to allow notifications of WhatsApp, and after that you can see these three notification types. Now you will see the lock screen at the very first. Just simply tap into this lock screen option and your WhatsApp's notification will be visible on the lock screen of your device. This way you can very easily enable or disable this. I hope this video is helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.